charter on the banks, and we have a full fish esky. John from the Warner Fishing Club. How'd you go today? Did you enjoy everything? Yeah. Can you tell your friends about us?
Yes.
Did you all have a good day today?
Yes.
Excellent, excellent. And how'd you go today? Did you enjoy yourself?
Great cruise.
Thank you very much. It was lovely.
That's good.
The food was good. Oh, thanks very much. Lovely having you on board. Gentlemen, how did you go today? Oh, I'm filming at the moment, but I will take the lovely father-son photo. Did you enjoy everything today?
We had a great time.
Oh, fantastic. What was your favourite part of the day?
Oh, well, obviously catching the fish, but the service was exceptional.
Oh, thank you. Yes, the crew is pretty amazing, but having the crew's pretty amazing.
They just need to come out of their shell more.
Out of their shell more. Okay, I'll work on it.
They're just so shy.
I'll work on it. But yeah, can't complain with that. Massive esky full. Awesome. Thanks very much, everyone from the Warner Fishing Club. Everyone have a wave. Woo! Yeah, thank you very much for joining us.